YouTube. Welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Gonna do a little test ride on my 2019 Iron 1200 Sportster. Gonna take it up here on the Merritt Parkway. See how it feels at a little bit higher speeds. I put the camera in super wide mode, turned off the stabilization, just so you can see how it is. Hopefully the microphone's working on this round. This is my second try at this. For some reason, even when I test it, every once in a while, the media mod does not kick in and my microphone in my helmet does not record. Not nice. Woo! Alright, I'm at 65 now. You know, Sportster, not a lot of protection from the wind. Alright, here comes fresh pavement, so see, that don't even make a difference. Not a lot of protection from the wind, guys. Oh, stay there, Bambi. Stay there. Woo! You want to talk about having a shit in your pants? Oh, I'm going to have to edit that. Just waiting. Alright. So, I usually don't ride on the highway, guys. Bought this for around town, stuff like that. But you know, might as well go up and see what it's like. So at 70 here, get a pretty good shake in the front end. Sportster, you know. Woo. Back down a little bit here, do 60. Nicer on the nice pavement though. Can't wait till M.W.C decides to get some gradient black stuff in. Yeah, that's too much for me. Woo! Not that bad on the new pavement though. I'm more of an around town kind of guy. Really hope the mic worked on this. Hope you enjoyed this. Yeah, like I said, Memphis Shades, if I can get a little bit bigger sports screen up there and get a little bit of the wind off of hitting my helmet and bouncing my head around, I think it'd be a little more comfortable. This is definitely not a motorcycle that I would want to go on any road trips on or anything like that. Alright guys, so I'm going to keep this one short, just a little review. So let me recap this to say I love my Iron 1200 Sportster, great bike for around town and what I do mostly. But if you're somebody that wants to go real long distances at high speeds on the highways, this is definitely not the bike for you. But up here on the Merritt, it's not that bad. You don't have the tractor trailers zooming by, sucking you in and blowing you all over the road either. So, all in all, I love the bike. So, if you like my channel, guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell notification. Alright, this is Carl saying laugh a lot.